Step 19. Mounting of the shafts. Push the shaft with the pre-assembled adjusting ring and geared pulley through the bearings and the belt. Secure it with another adjusting ring from the other side. Put the end caps on the ends of the shaft. Repeat this process for the other shaft. The shafts are sometimes difficult to slide into the bearings. If the shafts are jammed, it helps to rotate or shake the shaft while pushing it forward. If this does not work, we recommend using a rubber hammer to gently push the shafts through the bearings. The pulleys are at the height of the lower 2040 extrusion profiles and should not be pushed too close to the bearings.